Throughout the history of INPEX, we have worked on all fronts to pave the way for the future of energy, so that we may continue to inhabit this beautiful planet and pass it on to the next generation. In 1941, Teikoku Oil, the forerunner of INPEX, was founded, supplying energy during Japan's turbulent Showa era. In 1977, the Bontang LNG project in Indonesia started operations. In 1982, the Upper Zakum oilfield project in Abu Dhabi started production. This project, which has one of the world's largest reserves, led to the acceleration of INPEX's growth. In 1984, construction of the Koshijihara plant in Japan was completed, and production began at the Minami Nagaoka gas field. As one of Japan's largest gas fields, accounting for 40% of the country's gas production, it would become the cornerstone of INPEX's energy business. In 2000, what would become the Ichthys and Abadi gas fields were discovered, paving the way for the development of these large-scale projects. In 2013, the Naoetsu LNG terminal commenced operations. This terminal regasifies LNG received from abroad and supplies it to consumers via a network of pipelines that extends to Tokyo metropolis and 8 prefectures. In doing so, it plays a central role in Japan's gas value chain. In 2018, production began at the Ichthys LNG project in Australia. INPEX has driven its progress as the first Japanese company to operate a large-scale LNG project. In 2021, the company's corporate name was unified to the current name INPEX in both English and Japanese. The following year, we announced our long-term strategy and our medium-term management plan, INPEX Vision 2022, and positioned CCS, hydrogen and ammonia, and carbon recycling as key initiatives for INPEX to help realize a net-zero carbon society by 2050. To achieve INPEX vision, we launched a division responsible for low-carbon businesses and strengthened the framework of our organization. In 2023, INPEX was officially selected as a participant in an advanced CCS project by JOGMEC. CCS is a technology for reducing CO2 emissions by storing CO2 deep underground. This technology is expected to contribute significantly to the reduction of carbon emissions in Japan and worldwide. With the Ichthys LNG project, we are aiming to begin CO2 injections in 2030, and we also plan to implement CCS as a part of the Abadi LNG project. INPEX will lead the way in enhancing energy security throughout Asia, including Japan. Methanation, which we are pursuing as a low-carbon solution alongside CCS, is another technology for reducing CO2. We aim to begin supplying e-methane to customers through our existing gas pipelines in 2026. We are also working on the commercialization of blue hydrogen and blue ammonia supply through CCS in Japan and other countries. In 2025, we announced INPEX Vision 2035. As part of this vision, we declared that we would grow business scale by 60% and reduce net carbon intensity by 60%. To achieve these goals, we will build growth pillars, one of which focuses on CCS and hydrogen. The first step toward that is the Kashiwazaki Hydrogen Park. This pioneering initiative is the first in Japan that carries out the production and supply of next-generation energy, blue hydrogen and blue ammonia, at a single site. We at INPEX will leverage our expertise to realize a wide range of lower carbon solutions. To achieve our Vision 2035 and realize a lower carbon, stable energy supply, we will continue to take on challenges.
Energy for a brighter future, INPEX.